I'm Perlin, and today I'm going to be sharing with you why servicing your car regularly is so important. To keep your car functioning optimally, you absolutely have to send your car for regular servicing. Failure to do so might result in catastrophic consequences like engine failure, breakdowns, and they generally just shorten the lifespan of your vehicle. If you don't know when to send your car for servicing, a general rule of thumb is about every 10,000 kilometers or every 6 months, but here are some indicators you definitely want to look out for. You're the only person who knows how your car truly feels on the road as well as all its little quirks, so you're definitely also going to be the first person to notice the second something is off. Okay, so if you start seeing like your fuel consumption suddenly increasing a lot, or you start feeling weird vibrations in your car when you're driving, or if you start to smell like weird smells that honestly don't belong in a car, all these are clear indicators that your car needs to be looked at and serviced. If you're driving down an expressway or just idling at a traffic light and you start to hear all these sounds like crunching sounds or grinding sounds or just uneven engine sounds that are coming from your car, please don't just turn on the music louder and then ignore it, all right? It's very, very clear that your car parts need to be replaced or repaired, and I really suggest that you quickly hurry on down to your workshop, all right, to get it checked out, because otherwise your car may not be safe for you to drive anymore. If you've ever found a puddle under your car, then you know the feeling of dread it brings. There can be a couple of reasons for this, and it can be quite overwhelming to figure out what's causing this leak. So as a general rule of thumb, if the puddle is clear, then it's probably a water leak that's caused by your air conditioning. But if it's bright green or blue or pink, it means that your coolant is leaking. And if the fluids are dark red or brown, it's probably caused by your transmission oil, engine oil, or brake fluid. If you come across any of these signs, please don't ignore them. Turning a blind eye to them can cause significant damage to your car, and you're going to end up burning a huge hole in your pocket with the repairs. Instead, have your car checked and serviced regularly at a reliable and trustworthy workshop, like ours. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that our team of auto repair experts with over 20 years of experience will take good care of your car, providing fair and honest assessments of your vehicle. Book an appointment at the Carro workshop today.